Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel. On the beauty food chick, I have this beautiful plate I call pot of life. There you go. I'll be showing you how I made this delicious pot of life. It's healthy, quick and easy to put together, and it is absolutely delicious. Alrighty, let's go make it. I am excited to introduce a delightful concoction featuring cabbage, cauliflower, succulent lamb, onions, garlic, and a medley of peppers. Let's start right away. So I bring in my lamb and kind of fried it and cooked it sort of, added salt to that, and I dunked in this green pepper that is full of flavors. Now all this complemented by a symphony of exquisite dry herbs. Get ready for a flavor experience that will tantalize your taste buds with endless deliciousness. And I went to my garden to get me some curry, fresh thyme, and dunked that right into my pot. Remember, pot of life. And we are building flavors over here. Tasty deliciousness. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait for you to try this recipe yourself. Do not forget to keep turning your lamb so that you introduce every part of this lamb to flavors. Cover that to steam and cook by itself in its steam. Now my cauliflower had this dark situation going on in there, so I'm just grating off that darkness so that we have a clean, bright cauliflower. That's basically it. Yeah, like that. Now next thing I do is chop off this cauliflower and the cabbage, of course. Added that to my vegetables, to my lamb and onions, and look at that. Allow that to steam for like a minute. Brought in my cauliflower. This recipe is quick and easy to put together. We are working on some deliciousness, guys. There is beauty and peace that comes with a delicious, quick and easy, healthy pot of soup. And I tagged them pot of life. Do not forget to add black peppers and salt to your mix. We are building flavors. In my pot of life, I brought in water, covered that to steam for like 2 minutes. This recipe was ready in less than 20 minutes. No gimmicks. Now, in my bowl, I have hot water. I brought in butter, a little bit of salt, and couscous. I will be using couscous as my size for this pot of life. This water was too much. I reduced the water, covered that, and continued to cook my amazing pot of life. To this, I brought in Knorr seasoning cube, covered that again, so that these vegetables, the lamb, everything comes together. And oh my goodness, this looks beautiful, smells so good. And next, I brought in a pinch of cornstarch so that the liquid in my pot is not runny, but kind of slowly. Bring out that thyme and check to be sure everything is going all right over here. I hope you have been enjoying this series of Pots of Life. They are amazing. Let's check up on our couscous, and it is ready. So use a fork to bring everything together, to also check that it is not a thick lump, but you want it singly, like grains, like so. Now let's plate this pot of life. I love good food, guys. Good food just puts me in a happy mood. So, is this something you are going to be trying? Thank you so much. Look at that. Oh my God, this was so delicious. I am not even making it up. Every pot of life is a bowl of serenity. It is comforting. It is delicious. It is beautiful. It is quick and easy to put together. Oh my God. Just look at that. How was that? Quick and easy, just as I promised. Let's have a taste. So I paired mine with couscous. If you were to make this, what would you pair yours with? Please feel free to make adjustments to your preference. Use any proteins of your choice. Let's try this. All of these recipes, most of them are spontaneous recipes, meaning I have never tried this before. Alrighty. Let's try it with the beef. So good. Please like this video. Leave me a comment or two, and please share this video with someone who you think will love this recipe. I will see you in my next video.